हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में आपको 2020 से 2025 के बीच क्लास 10th सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में चैप्टर ह्यूमन आई एंड द कलरफुल वर्ल्ड से पूछे गए सारे प्रीवियस ईयर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मिलेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो कि 2020 में पूछा गया था। पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैटरैक्ट हैज ऑप्शन ए elongated eyeball, option B excessive curvature of eyelids, option C weakened ciliary muscles, or option D opaque eyelids. And the correct answer is option D opaque eyelids. चलिए मूव करते हैं हमारे पास सेकंड क्वेश्चन की तरफ। और हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है जो कि 2020 में पूछा गया था। द स्काई अपीयर्स डार्क टू पैसेंजर्स फ्लाइंग एट वेरी हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड्स मेनली बिकॉज ऑप्शन ए scattering of light is not enough at such heights. Option B, there is no atmosphere at great heights. Option C, the size of molecules is smaller than the wavelength of visible light. Or option D, the light gets scattered towards the earth. And the correct answer is option B, there is no atmosphere at great heights. चलिए third. And the third question is the image distance from the eye lens in the normal eye when we increase the distance of an object from the eye. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains unchanged, or option D depends on the size of the eyeball. And the correct answer is option C remains unchanged. चलिए fourth question. In the following diagram showing dispersion of white light by a glass prism, the colors P and Q respectively are option A red and violet, option B violet and red, option C red and blue, option D orange and green. And the correct answer is option B violet and red. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। इन ह्यूमन आई द पार्ट विच अलाउज लाइट टू एंटर इनटू द आई इज ऑप्शन ए रेटिना, ऑप्शन बी प्यूपिल, ऑप्शन सी आइलेंस और ऑप्शन डी कॉर्निया। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। चलिए सिक्स क्वेश्चन। द फिनोमेना ऑफ लाइट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेनबो आर option A refraction, dispersion and scattering, option B refraction, reflection and dispersion, option C refraction, dispersion and internal reflection, or option D reflection, dispersion and total internal reflection. And the correct answer is option C refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. चलिए सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन जो कि 2023 में पूछा गया था। The change in the focal length of an eye lens in human beings is caused by the action of option A optic nerves, option B ciliary muscles, option C retina, or option D cornea. And the correct answer is option B ciliary muscles. Eighth question. The lens system of human eye forms an image on a light sensitive screen which is called as option A cornea, option B ciliary muscles, option C optic nerve, or option D retina. And the correct answer is option D retina. Ninth question. In bifocal lenses used for the correction of presbyopia, option A, the upper portion is of convex lens for the near vision and lower part is of concave lens for the distant vision. Option B, the upper portion is of convex lens for the distant vision and lower part is of concave lens for the near vision. Option C, the upper portion is of concave lens is for the near vision and lower part is of convex lens for the distant vision. Or option D, the upper portion is of concave lens for the distant vision and lower part is of convex lens for the near vision. And the correct option is option D. The upper portion is of concave lens for the distant vision and lower part is of convex lens for the near vision. Moving on to the हमारा 10th क्वेश्चन है। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन आई। हमें इन चार स्टेटमेंट्स में से कौन कौन से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स हैं वो चूज करना है। तो पहला स्टेटमेंट है हमारा, द डायमीटर ऑफ द आई बॉल इज अबाउट 2.3 सेंटीमीटर। स्टेटमेंट बी, iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. Statement C, most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the crystalline lens. Statement D, while focusing on the objects at different distances, the distance between the crystalline lens and the retina is adjusted by ciliary muscles. और हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं, ऑप्शन ए स्टेटमेंट ए एंड स्टेटमेंट बी, ऑप्शन बी स्टेटमेंट ए, बी एंड स्टेटमेंट सी, ऑप्शन सी स्टेटमेंट बी, स्टेटमेंट सी एंड स्टेटमेंट डी, और ऑप्शन डी स्टेटमेंट ए, स्टेटमेंट सी एंड स्टेटमेंट डी। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए स्टेटमेंट ए एंड स्टेटमेंट बी। चलिए 11th क्वेश्चन, the phenomena of light involved in the formation of a rainbow in the sky are option A, refraction, dispersion and reflection, option B, refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection, option C, dispersion, scattering and reflection, option D, dispersion, refraction and internal reflection. And the correct answer is option D, dispersion, refraction and internal reflection. And 12th question is, when a beam of white light passes through a region having very fine dust particles, the color of light mainly scattered in that region is option A, red, option B, orange, option C, blue, option D, yellow. And the correct answer is option C, blue. 13th question, the color of light for which the refractive index of glass is minimum is option A, red, option B, yellow, option C, green, or option D, violet. And the correct answer is option A, red. Question number 14, consider the following statements. हमारे पास चार स्टेटमेंट्स हैं और इन चार स्टेटमेंट्स में हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स को चूज करना है। चलिए स्टेटमेंट 1 है हमारा, ciliary muscles adjust for changing the intensity of light entering the eye. Statement 2, myopic eye can be corrected by converging lenses of suitable power. Statement 3, the function of the pupil is to regulate the quantity of light entering the eye. Or statement 4, when ciliary muscles are completely relaxed, the focal length of the eye lens is maximum. और ऑप्शन है हमारे, ऑप्शन ए स्टेटमेंट 1, स्टेटमेंट 2 एंड स्टेटमेंट 4, ऑप्शन बी स्टेटमेंट 1, स्टेटमेंट 2 एंड स्टेटमेंट 3, ऑप्शन सी स्टेटमेंट 3 एंड स्टेटमेंट 4, और ऑप्शन डी स्टेटमेंट 2 एंड स्टेटमेंट 4। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी स्टेटमेंट 3 एंड स्टेटमेंट 4। चलिए 15th क्वेश्चन, an old person is suffering from an eye defect caused by weakening of ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of the eye lens. If the defect of vision is A, which can be corrected by lens B, then A and B respectively are option A, hypermetropia and convex lens, option B, presbyopia and bifocal lens, option C, myopia and concave lens, or option D, myopia and bifocal lens. And the correct answer is option B, presbyopia and bifocal lens. चलिए 16th question, the white light entering a glass prism gets split into its constituent colors. It is observed that option A, red light deviates the most, option B, violet light deviates the least, option C, yellow light deviates more than the blue light, or option D, green light deviates more than the orange light. And the correct answer is option D, green light deviates more than the orange light. 17th question, the phenomenon responsible for making the smoke particles visible when a beam of sunlight enters a smoke-filled room through a narrow hole is option A, scattering of light, option B, dispersion of light, option C, reflection of light, or option D, internal reflection of light. And the correct answer is option A, scattering of light. Moving on to question number 18, जो कि 2025 में पूछा गया था. In the given figure, the angle of incidence and angle of deviation respectively are option A 1 and 5, option B 7 and 6, option C 7 and 4, or option D 1 and 6. And the correct answer is option D 1 and 6. 19th question. The part of the human eye which can modify the curvature of the eye lens to some extent is option A pupil, option B cornea, option C ciliary muscles, or option D aqueous humor. And the correct answer is option C ciliary muscles. और 20th क्वेश्चन है हमारा. Select the correct statement from the following. Option A, the size of the molecules of air is larger than the wavelength of visible light. Option B, the blue light has a wavelength of about 1.8 times greater than that of red light. Option C, when sunlight passes through the fine particles in air, they scatter the blue color of visible light more strongly than red. Or option D, the light of red color is scattered the most by fog or smoke. And the correct answer is option C, when sunlight passes through the fine particles in air, they scatter the blue color of visible light more strongly than red. Question number 21. The possible way to restore clear vision of those people whose eyeball has elongated is the use of option A, bifocal lens, option B, concave lens, option C, converging lens, or option D, convex lens. And the correct answer is option B, concave lens. Question number 22. A boy, while reading a book, keeps it much beyond 25 centimeter from his eyes. This defect of vision has arisen because of option A, excessive curvature of the eye lens, option B, the focal length of the eye lens has increased, option C, the eyeball has elongated, or option D, the focal length of the eye lens has become too small. And the correct answer is option B, the focal length of the eye lens has increased. And the next question, 23rd. The part of human eye which controls the amount of light entering into it. Option A, iris, option B, cornea, option C, ciliary muscles, or option D, pupil. And the correct answer is option D, pupil. Question number 24. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at option A, iris, option B, pupil, option C, crystalline lens, or option D, outer surface of cornea. And the correct answer is option D, outer surface of cornea. Question number 25. The curvature of eye lens of human eye. Option A is fixed. Option B can be increased. Option C can be decreased. Option D increases or decreases as the case may be. And the correct answer is option D, increases or decreases as the case may be. Next question, 26. When we focus our eyes on a distant object, the ciliary muscles of our eyes are relaxed. In this case, the eye lens becomes option A, thin and its curvature is maximum, option B, thin and its curvature is minimum, option C, thick and its curvature is minimum, or option D, thick and its curvature is maximum. And the correct answer is option B, thin and its curvature is minimum. चलिए इतने ही क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास 2020 से 2025 के बीच में आए हुए थे. अब मैंने इस वीडियो में सारे सॉल्यूशंस डिस्कस नहीं किए हैं, अदरवाइज ये वीडियो बहुत लेंथी हो जाता. बट अगर आपको किसी भी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो आप कमेंट करिए एंड हम उसका सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस कर लेंगे. चलिए, थैंक यू.